Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is we are sorry we have run into an issue and the error code is CAA20001. So if you are receiving this error code while launching Microsoft Teams on your computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to connect your Teams account. So for this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on accounts, then click on access work or school, and then click on connect. So in case if you don't have your account over here connected, in that case you can click on connect, and after that you have to enter your email and password for your Microsoft Teams and then connect it. Now in case if you are already connected, in that case you can go ahead and click on disconnect. Now you will receive this prompt which says, are you sure you want to remove this account? This will remove your access to resources like email, apps, network, and all content associated with it. Your organization might also remove some data stored on this device. So if you agree, click on yes, and once you click on yes, it will go ahead and disconnect. Then again click on connect and enter your email and password, and then try to launch Microsoft Teams. Now still you're facing the problem, in that case you can go ahead and clear Microsoft Teams cache file. For this, first of all, if the Microsoft Teams is open, so Microsoft Teams is open, in that case you can go ahead and first of all you have to go ahead and close Microsoft Teams. So close Microsoft Teams, and after you close the Microsoft Teams, you have to go to this location. So for this, first of all, let me close Microsoft Teams, and once this is closed, open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, and then open your users folder, and then open your username folder, whatever is your username, open that folder, and then open app data. So here you can see app data. In case if you don't see the app data over here, in that case go to view, and then you have to go ahead and put a check on the box which says hidden items. So if this is unchecked, you will not see app data over here. So click on view, then click on hidden items, and here you can see app data. Open app data folder, then open the roaming, and then open the Microsoft folder, and then open the Teams folder, and you have to go ahead and delete the files from blob storage. Open this blob storage, select everything, make a right click, then click on delete, go back, then open delete the file from cache folder, open this, select everything, make a right click, then click on delete. Then you have to delete from database, go back, databases, then select everything, make a right click, delete. In my case it's already empty. Then GPU cache, open this folder, GPU cache, select everything, make a right click, then click on delete, go back, and then IndexedDB folder, open this folder, select everything, make a right click, delete. It's already empty in my case. And then local storage folder, open this, select everything, make a right click, delete it, and then open the temp folder, go back, open the temp folder, select everything, make a right click, then click on delete. So once you delete the files from these folders, you have to go ahead and restart the team, and then log into your account. It will be asking you to log in. Make sure that you have the password, because it will go ahead and log out, and then when you restart, it will tell you to log into your computer, log into your Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix this error message. Now still you're facing the problem, in that case you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. So you can go to apps and features, so just open Windows 10 settings, click on apps, and here you can go ahead and type in Teams, and then click on Microsoft Teams, then click on uninstall, and after the uninstall, restart your computer, and after the restart you can visit this link, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see download Microsoft Teams, so click on download for desktop, and once the download is complete, log into your account, and then that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you are facing the problem, in that case you can go ahead and use web version of Microsoft Teams. For this, copy this link, and then go to this website, click on sign in, and then enter your email address and password for your Microsoft Teams, and then you can go ahead and start using the web version of Microsoft Teams. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.